Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful and simple hairstyles for the kids just following few steps. So take the hairs on the sides like this and make the plaits slowly and carefully one by one. Follow the same step for the other side. Now divide the hairs from the back, tie the plaits and tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, we will take few section of the hairs in the front and tie it like this. Now we will take another section of the hairs from the back and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Make the hairs very carefully. Take the hairs from the sides and join them and then make the plaits one by one. Follow the same step for the other side. Make the plaits till the end and fix the hairs by tying the rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take few section of the hairs in the front like this and then make the plaits, roll it and take the hairs from the sides to make the plaits one by one. Follow the same step for the other side as well and keep following the steps as we are doing in this video. Watch the video very carefully and make the plaits one by one. Take the hairs from the back and from the sides as well. Keep joining the hairs. Now take it to the back and then make the plaits on all the hairs like this and tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it on the top and then make a heart-like shape and then we will divide the hairs on the back, tie it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now take the hairs on the back, tie the ponytail and then rotate it like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts, divide it again and make a heart shape. Join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides. Now divide the hairs into two parts in the back. Now make the plaits like this, join it and fix it on the alternative sides and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs on the sides by making the plaits, fix it on the back, tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this. Now divide it into small sections and fix it on the left side. Make the plaits and roll it to make a small bun on the top. Now at the back, make the plaits and it's ready. Thanks for watching.